Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen rugs and mats. Choosing the right rug or mat for your kitchen can add comfort, style, and even safety to your cooking space. In this video, we'll be showcasing the best kitchen rugs and mats of 2024, so you can find the perfect one for your home. Let's get started. 1. Best Overall, Gel Pro Elite Premier Comfort Kitchen Mat. This mat is known for its superior comfort, thanks to its thick gel and energy return foam. It's perfect for those long cooking sessions or standing at the sink. Features: anti-fatigue design, non-slip bottom, stain-resistant surface. Available in various colors and patterns. 2. Best Budget-Friendly, KMAT Cushioned Anti-Fatigue Mat. If you're looking for comfort on a budget, the KMAT Cushioned Anti-Fatigue Mat is a great option. It provides decent cushioning and support without breaking the bank. Features: ergonomic design, waterproof and easy to clean, non-slip backing. Available in multiple sizes and colors. 3. The best for style, ruggable washable kitchen rug. For those who want to add a touch of style to their kitchen, the ruggable washable kitchen rug is a top pick. This rug is not only beautiful but also practical, as it's machine washable. Features: detachable rug cover, machine washable, non-slip rug pad included. Wide range of designs and sizes. 4. Best Eco-Friendly, House of Noah Nama Mat. Eco-conscious buyers will love the House of Noah Nama Mat. This mat is made from non-toxic, eco-friendly materials and offers excellent cushioning for a comfortable kitchen experience. Features: made from eco-friendly, non-toxic materials. Anti-fatigue cushioning. Stylish patterns. 5. Best for high traffic, Kangaroo Original Standing Mat. The Kangaroo Original Standing Mat is perfect for high traffic areas in your kitchen. It's durable, comfortable, and designed to withstand heavy use. Features: high-density foam, non-slip bottom, stain-resistant surface. Various colors and sizes are available. 6. Best runner-up, Sky Solutions Anti-Fatigue Mat. Lastly, we have the Sky Solutions Anti-Fatigue Mat. This mat offers great support and is perfect for those who spend a lot of time standing in the kitchen. Features: thick, ergonomic foam, non-slip backing, waterproof and easy to clean. Multiple color options. And there you have it, the best kitchen rugs and mats of 2024. Whether you're looking for comfort, style, durability, or eco-friendliness, there's something on this list for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home decor tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!